And for the male category, I request Ma'am Renita and Ma'am Jenny to please complete the award.
Nag-video ko.
For the next inclusion. Alright, so once again, congratulations sa ato ang mga winners at ang special award from Basak near Barangay Hall Learning Center and San Miguel Baker Center.
Sa boto.
Or Child Development Center. Congratulations.
Trophy. Bali ang trophy.
Okay, so once again, congratulations to all the winners. Kasitang pakpak sa atong mga winners sa atong special award.
Ayaw na. Naubos na. Ubos na. Naubos na.
Alright, so once again, congratulations and thank you very much.